one of the students said, rarely we get a chance to think about ourselves in this manner. So just to even that, whether you're a student or you're a working professional or a leader or an entrepreneur, just to create that space for it.
Finding Emotional Balance workshop was extremely insightful for me.
My favorite part was related to gratitude, being grateful for any three things in your life every day when you wake up in the morning.
Through the workshops, when we were discussing other perspectives, that made me realize the importance of empathy and how these simple exercises of trying to look into a situation, trying to reframe it, trying to look into other people's reactions and their perception can help you get through things smoothly.
One of the exercises which Sanjay did today was understanding when you're studying here, there will be challenges where you are unable to do your task in the same timeline which has been given by the faculty. How do you manage it? How do you control your emotions throughout the assignment?
These learnings, these are little stepping stones which will make me grow gradually.
Because as photographers, we have a very spontaneous life. We've gotten a certain assignment. We have to think about so many things. And at that time, to be able to control your personal well-being, to maintain that and not let it obstruct your professional engagements, that's very important.
I appreciate the openness of the management to try something like this, which is not very common. I think it's a wonderful place, unknown gem within India for people who are passionate about photography to come and learn not just about photography but about leading a life, and for urban youth an opportunity to come to a small town and experience town and potentially even village life in some ways. I think in a such beautiful environment. Awesome.